Welcome to our WP Expert channel and thanks for joining me here to learn WordPress. And today we are going to discuss on the PHP development environment software. Okay, and before start today topic, I want to give little summary about our previous video in my previous lesson. So let me just give summary about last video summary. Okay, and last video of our lesson I have cover all the topics that we will cover in this WordPress lesson. Okay, so in last video I have explained all the day by day topics that we will cover in the WordPress lessons session, and I have explained all the topics that we will cover in our WordPress lesson. So in last video I have explained the WordPress, about WordPress overview, what is the WordPress and advantage of WordPress, why choose WordPress to learn as a CMS, okay, and where you can download the WordPress. So these all topics we have covered in my last video, and today we are going to discuss on PHP development environment software and what is the requirement to set up the WordPress on your local computer. So if you like my video, if you then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get coming lesson on WordPress learning. Okay, so if you have any query related to our video and any query related to WordPress, then you can leave your comment, your query and video comment box, and I will try to give answer of your query as soon as possible. And you can share my video with your friends who want to learn WordPress. So let's start on today topic. Today topic is PHP development environment software. As before install the WordPress on your local computer, you must have need to install some PHP development environment software. Okay, so without PHP development environment software, you will not able to run the WordPress on your local computer. And today I will explain what is the software requirement, what is the need of the PHP development software, and overview of PHP development environment software, and how you can set up the PHP development environment software on your local computer, and how you can work with that software. Okay. So let's start. So basically there are two most popular software available in market for PHP development environment. That is first is XAMPP and second is BAMP. Okay, so you can use any one that you want to install on your Windows system. Okay, as compared to BAMP, BAMP is the lightweight software. Okay, and compared to XAMPP, but XAMPP provide the some advanced features. It support the some advanced functionality and some advanced database environment sub server as well. Okay, so today I will explain how you can install and set up BAMP and XAMPP on your local system. Okay. So let's start. So let me explain how to install XAMPP on your app server. So to install XAMPP on your local computer, first of all, you will require to type the XAMPP in your Google and open the XAMPP official website. The official website of XAMPP URL is apachefriends.org. Here you can download your software. Okay, and they have given all options to download software for Windows, Linux, and OS. So as today in this video I am going to explain the XAMPP for Windows. Okay, so I will download this one. Okay. And let me click on to download the software. You just need to click on XAMPP server. Okay, and same way, if you are going to install XAMPP on your system, then you can find the XAMPP from their official website. The official website of XAMPP is xampserver.com. Okay, here you can see this is the XAMPP server official website. Here you can download the PHP development environment software XAMPP server from their official website. If your system is 32 bits, then you need to download this version, and if your system is 36 64 bits, in that case you will need to download this. Okay, so you can download the XAMPP server on their offset website as well. Okay, so let's come back, and as my XAMPP has been installed on downloaded complete, so let me click on this. Okay, so once I will click on this, you will see a pop-up window and you need to click on this yes. Okay, so this is the basic steps to install XAMPP on your local system. Okay, and you can, okay, so you can see a warning here because activated user, so you have no need to worry about this, just ignore it and click on OK button, and our setup is ready. Okay, so click on next. Okay, and if you want to choose the XAMPP, and XAMPP provided two language support, Dutch and English. Okay, so by default you can choose the English. Okay, and here the printer can install the Joomla, WordPress, and many other popular open source. Okay, so these are the some instruction of the XAMPP. So you have no need to worry it. Back again and click on next. Okay. And our installing process has been started. Okay, so it can take around 4 to 5 minutes to install the XAMPP on your local system. Okay, so you can wait till. Okay, so let's see the when you XAMPP will be installed on your local computer. So my XAMPP installation is almost completed. Okay, so it's asking to allow farewell block. Okay, so you have need to click on allow access. Okay, and once you will allow access, installation will continue. Okay, as almost XAMPP is ready to install on my system. It will take 1 or 2 minutes or to finish the installation. As my XAMPP is successfully installed. Okay, and just processing to uninstalling the temporary files of the XAMPP. Okay, so you have need to wait only maximum 1 minute. It will take less than 1 minute to uninstall our XAMPP local dump file. Yes, my you can see the setup has been completed. Okay, and after complete the setup you need to click on finish, and when you will click finish, okay, in that case after that you will see this settings panel, XAMPP control panel. Okay, and here you can see they have provided the different module: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. Okay, so as we are need only these one to set up the WordPress, Apache and MySQL. Okay, so let me first start the Apache. Okay, and let me click on this. Yes, yes, you can see the my Apache has been successfully running. Okay, and same way, let me, it's asking to me allow access for PHP admin MySQL. Okay, so you have need to click on allow access, and you can see my both Apache and MySQL is successfully activated. Okay, as you can see the green color behind the both section. Okay, so let me first describe the directory of the XAMPP. Okay, so you can access the directory file for folder directory of XAMPP. You will need to click on explore button, and here you can see there are many folders. Okay, so you have need to work, you will need to you will work with htdoc folder only. Okay, so you have no need to worry about other folders here. You have need to focus on htdocs. Okay, and here you can see there are only a two or three folders. So to view browse the our local server, let me check my XAMPP is successfully installed on node. Okay, yes, you can see if you are able to access the local host. Okay, and from your local computer, it means XAMPP has been successfully installed on your system. Okay, so this is the very easy steps you can follow to install the XAMPP on your local system. Okay, and here you can see this the PHP configuration related information. As the current version, the XAMPP is installing with current version 7.4.6. Okay, and here you can see the database. So here some issue may be in this. Okay, so you can check the database admin here. So let me show you how you can create a your first file and XAMPP, how you can work with XAMPP. Okay, so I am going to create a new folder here. Okay, like test. Okay, and under test folder I am going to create a new file. Let me copy, you can copy the new file here. This is the basically HTML copy. Okay, so I am just creating copy of your this file and paste it, and I am going to rename it to test.html. Okay, so you can edit the content of the this one. Okay, so here I am just going to explain. This is my first for local server. Just copy and I have control S save. Okay, so here you will need to, as we have created the test folder, and under test folder I have created test.html. You have need to browse this one. Okay, so you can see this is my first local server. So you are able to do anything with WordPress. Sorry, with local server of XAMPP. Okay, so XAMPP is ready to work with on your local computer, and you can create the any files. And similarly, if you want to create some other files, like let me download some W3 school. Okay, so you can choose your W3 school to create any type of. Okay, so here I am going to copy. Okay, and paste. Okay, I will need to check the background image path. Okay, because here they are using the background image, and this is the background image path. Okay, so I'm going to define a full path, because if I will not define the path here, full path, then image will be not load on their server. Okay, so let me refresh the same page. This one, this page should be published here. Okay, so let me refresh. Yes, you can see the page is now ready to go. It's coming soon. So your testing has been successfully done. Your XAMPP is working here. Okay, and now you have no need to do anything. You can start your work with your local PHP development environment software. Okay, so these are the basic steps to install the XAMPP on your local system. Okay, without using the XAMPP or BAMP server, you can't set up the WordPress on your local computer on your Windows server. Okay, if you are using a Linux server, Linux Win system, okay, in that case you can create your WordPress without installing any external PHP development environment software, because Linux by default provided the feature a server, a local server, to run the PHP or any application program on their server. So there are no need to install any XAMPP or BAMP related external software. Okay. So this is basically necessary to install the XAMPP on your Windows or iOS system. Okay. So this is the steps to create the XAMPP. Okay, and same way, if you want to set up the BAMP, okay, in that case you can download the BAMP here. Okay, as 64-bit. If you don't know what is the system require, what is the system configuration you have, okay, in that case you can, sorry, you can check your current window better by right click and click on property. Okay, and here you can see the system type is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so by this you can download the system. Okay, and they are asking to provide some details. Okay, so once you will provide the details, they will provide you, they will keep the access to download the WordPress. Okay, let me try to test test Gmail test. Let me try if they allow me to download the developer. Okay, for learning WordPress, and click Let me try if they allow me to download the BAMP using my dummy data. Okay, I think they have not. As I have provided the dummy content, so that's why I think they have rejected my request to download. Okay, but they have given the link here to download source4k.net से. Okay, here you can download the BAMP, and size is going around 543 MB. I think this is also too large. Okay, so if you want to install the BAMP, then you can download it here. Okay, and you need to follow the almost same steps like we have followed in to XAMPP to set up the only upper local computer. Okay, and BAMP server also you need to follow. Okay, so here you can download the BAMP and you can follow the same steps to install BAMP on your local system. Okay, so these are the basic steps I have explained to you, and you can use any software as the size of the BAMP server is mm, much larger than compared to XAMPP. Okay, because XAMPP is almost okay. So I think XAMPP's file server is 148. Okay, XAMPP is only 148 while BAMP is asking to 4 543 MB. So you can choose any. I will prefer to use the XAMPP because XAMPP provided the some extra features to work with any application environment as well. They provide the some extra feature compared to BAMP. Okay, so you can use any one PHP development environment software. Okay, compared to BAMP server, XAMPP is more popular, and XAMPP is the XAMPP is the more popular PHP development software compared to BAMP. Okay, so I will recommend you to use the XAMPP. So let me what is the need. We have already discussed this overview of PHP development environment. We also have covered this. Okay, and set up the PHP development environment on local computer. I have already explained the way to install the local computer and work with PHP development environment. Okay, so I have also given a example here, so you can follow these all steps to work with XAMPP. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and next coming video I will start work with WordPress. Okay, so in coming video I will explain the all steps how you can install WordPress on your local computer, how you can set up the WordPress, what is the will be the requirement to install the WordPress on your local computer. Okay, so in next video I will cover these all topics. Okay, so guys, if you found my video helpful for you, then please do not forget to leave your valuable comment and video comment box, and like and subscribe to our channel to get the coming lesson on WordPress. So